Build your own chicken coop. Hi, my name is Anna White. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to build this chicken coop. It features an easy to access back with a removable nesting box and a floor. It's a beautiful design, all enclosed under one sheet of tin. The free plans are available for download, so don't worry about writing anything down in this video. The plans include a detailed shopping list and a detailed cutting list. Make sure you reference them when you go to build. Cut all of your boards according to the cut list. There is some angled cuts. You'll want to use a miter saw for quick, fast, and precise cuts. To build the two side panels, I'm using pocket holes, so I laid everything out and carefully marked out every pocket hole so all the pocket holes would be on the inside of the coop. You're going to be building these two frames in mirror, so it's really important to orientate everything correctly. It's easier to prefab up on a garage floor where everything is level and clean, so I went ahead and added the chicken wire. The chicken wire is optimized so you can use 2-foot wide and 3-foot wide sections. We just cut it with some tin snips and then folded back any rough edges. It is a good idea to pre-finish your wood frames. Later on, it really was a pain to paint over the chicken wire. I used some 1/2-inch plywood for my side panels, which I went ahead and added in the garage. But in the plan, I recommend using cedar fence pickets because there was a lot of waste with the plywood. Now we just tie the two side panels together with some 2x4s that are pocket holed from the inside. Couple boards to add on the inside to support the floor, and then I stained the entire exterior with a water-based wood stain. The roof is just one 8-foot piece of tin screwed down. I fabbed up a nesting box that's accessible from the back and added doors to the front and the back. With doors on the front and the back, this coop is designed to be accessible and easy to clean. We also made the floor so it's removable. You can change out the plywood if you need to over time. This chicken coop cost about $300 and you could definitely build it in a weekend. If you do, send us a photo. We love seeing your photos. Thank you.